Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to solve top 5 Excel plus VBA interview questions and the answer also you will get here. Alright, so let's start from the question number 1 without wasting time. So here the question is written that we need to do the sum of all those numbers which are highlighted in the yellow color. Okay, so the yellow which means this one. So 8 plus 4 will be your 12. So here the output should be 12. Okay, this is how that I want for all these numbers. Okay, let's start. We have to solve it through VBA. So now let's press Alt F11. Okay, Alt IM for to adding the module. We will write our all the code in the option explicit mode. And the next first, what we have to do is we have to get the color index number of color index number. We have to get it for the yellow one. So how we can do that? Let's get debug sub procedure question number 1. We have to debug dot print range. Okay, now what we are doing, we are basically getting we are trying to writing the code which can help us to get the color code of the yellow. So in the F1 we do have the yellow color. So F1 dot color, F1 dot interior dot color index. Okay, we have to control G. We will we will basically get this color code in the immediate window. I'm pressing F5. The color code is 6. Okay, now we have got the 6 is the color code of the yellow. So now we have to run the loop. So let's start. Dim k as an integer, cell as range. Okay, two variable you have to declare. Let's start for k2 k1 to cells rows dot count a dot and excelup dot row. Next we have to now do the selection range, and from a and the starting number, so k, we are just basically making the range here. Okay, until h column, so h and k dot select. We have to run the loop. Okay, one more loop in the selection for each cell in selection. If cell dot interior color index is equal to 6, then what I want is I want to copy cell dot copy and range in I ampersand k dot paste special all, and I want to do the addition. That's it. And if next cell message box done. Now let's run the loop. I'm pressing F8, 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 selected. Now we have to run it. Copy and paste. No problem. Copy again, we have to do paste. Okay, now the loop is now over. Look, I'm pressing F5 now. You look, we are getting our output. Now we are good to go. Now we have solved this question. Now if we will do the sum of the all the yellow highlighted, for example, I'm just checking 8 plus 6 plus 5 will be your on the bottom 19. So 19 is here. So this is the way that you can write this code to get the sum of all the numbers which are highlighted in the yellow. Okay, now let's go to the question number 2. In the question number 2, we have to write a code just to get the count of all these cells. For example, the color code is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now what we can do, there are two ways to do it. The first one I'm going to apply. So Alt F11. Okay, now let's write the code here. Sub procedure question number 2. Dim k as not k, cell as range, cell 1 as a range, and k as integer. Okay, so we have to run this loop from a1 to 16. Now let's start. For each cell in range from a1 to a16. Okay, we have to do this simple thing. Dot copy, dot not dot copy, Next cell. Now we have to get the color code of the cell. Whatever the color we do have in the respective cell, we want to print the color coding over the cell. So how? Cell dot value, cell dot interior color index, cell dot value, cell, copy and paste it here as well. Now we are good to go. Next, what we have to do? Now we have to do very simple thing. Now we also need to run one more loop. Okay, one more loop to get this color code as well. So what we can do, we can simply write one more loop for each cell 1 in range E1 to E4. Okay, E1 to E4. Next cell 1. Right here cell dot value, cell dot interior color index. Okay, cell dot value. That's it. Now what we have to do, we have to write, we have to run two more loop. Dim cell 2 as range, cell 3 as range. So what we have to do, we have to do simple thing. For each cell 2 in range E1 to E4, okay, k equal to 0. For each cell 3 in range A1 to A16, if cell 2 dot interior color is equal to cell 3 dot interior color, then k equal to k plus 1. And if next cell 3 and cell 2 offset 0 comma 1, because we want to get the count in the f column, that's why we are doing or dot offset 0 comma 1 dot value is equal to k. Next cell 2 and message box done. This is little complex, but yes, not too hard as well. Okay, now I'm pressing F8, 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 F8. You look, I'm getting the color coding. You look. Okay, now here cell dot value, cell 1, it will be cell 1, right? It will be cell 1. Okay, F8, 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 F8. Now we are done. Okay, we have to delete it. Okay, F8. Now simple. You look, I'm pressing, you look, 4. I'm pressing F5 now. This is the very simple thing. The 4 colors we do have 1, 2, 3. If I will do the count if here, count if, okay, like this, you look, the similar output. This is the code which can help you to get the color, get the count of the color. Okay, now let's go to the question number 3. In the question number 3, what I want is, I want to get the subject name here, okay, in which this person has got the highest marks. For example, max number. Okay, max, the 44 is coming here. Okay, or 58 is coming here. 67 is coming here. So in these two numbers I want maths, and here I want SST. Okay, this is how that I want to do it. So first we have done match, we have got the maximum. Now we need to get the column number, match it where, in this column, comma 0, enter. So 3 is coming here. So 1 2 3, but we will count from 1 2 3. So plus 1 we have to do, so that it will be counting from the column number A, 1 2 3 4. Okay, the 4. Now here we can get address row number will be 1, obviously 1, because the subject name is in the row number 1, and the column number we already have got through this match and plus through the match and max function. Now press enter. You look, now D1 F1. Now we have to do simple indirect. As soon as you will do indirect, these are the subject name, you may check it. Okay, so English. So English is here, the highest marks. Okay, mass is here, highest marks. Hindi is here, highest marks. Okay, this is how that we have calculated. Now let's go to the question number 4. In the question number 4, we need to extract the zone. So our to west, south, north, something like that, we need to extract out from the A column. So right here mid, now get, now what we have to do, we have to get the all the values, okay, before the semicolon. So simple, equal to left, find this semicolon, -1. Okay. Now simple copy it, and now here use mid, and now we have to get all the values after the backward slash. Find 1 plus 1 999. Hello. And now use the trim. I will attach this file in the description box. From there you guys can download it for your practice. Okay. This is how that you guys can solve. This is how you guys can solve. Now let's go to the question number 5. In the question number 5, we need to extract out what? We need to extract out here the middle name. For the middle name, we must have the left and right, left first name and the last name. So for that, what we have to do, let's do one thing. Right here, left, mid. First, let's get the first name. Find space -1. Okay. This is what. Next, we need to get the, now what I'm doing it, I'm showing you in the bifurcation. So now let's get the last name. Length of the actual, length minus by replacing the space with the blank. Okay, 2 spaces we do have. Now get the substitute and space and at the rate. Okay, in instance number we are capturing in the length function. So now find at the rate. Okay, and after that what we have to do, we have to simply do the subtraction from the actual length. Now let's get the last name from the right. Simple, first and last name. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to here use substitute, copy it, substitute from this name. I want to replace it with blank. Now we do have, we have ignored the first name. Now copy the same, come here, use substitute, go in the last, sorry, yes, now go in the last and paste this function, comma. In the new text you have to replace with blank. These are the middle name, guys. Okay, now you have to also trim it. This is how that you can do it in the one single cell. This is the function. Kaur, Ansh, Kaur, Karan, Mohan, Chandra, Aman, Siddharth, Suman and Mehul. Okay, so I hope guys you have liked this video. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video. I will attach this file in the description box. From there you guys can download it for your practice. Thank you so much everyone.